So I have with me the most enthusiastic fans of the ISL, and this time the entire ISL is being hosted in Goa itself. And I have with me today usually I always had the discussion in person with them, but today I will have to have this discussion over a Zoom video call over virtual. So first of all, how excited are you guys when it comes to FC Goa versus Mumbai City FC here in Fatauda today? One by one, you can speak. I think let's start with Shashwat.
So the most anticipated clash between FC Goa and Mumbai City is taking place in week one of the Indian Super League, and it's a really very enthusiastic match because most of us are waiting to see the players perform to their level best and
Hmm.
beat Mumbai City like we always beat them and show them who rules the Indian Super League.
Okay, Sahil, what तुका कितें म्हणोंक जाय? तू एक तो मनीस आहाय त्या स्टेडियमान where you are heard across that all 18,000 seats over there. So तुका कितें म्हणोंक जाय आयच्या हितून?
काय ना रे आतां कितें आसा तें आसा ना तें ना न्हू जें आसा तें आमकां हें करूंक वचपा जाय पेंडेमीक येयलो आमकां चान्स ना कांय ना पूण एक एक म्हणल्यार बेस्ट म्हणल्यार फुटबॉल तरी हें जालें स्टार्ट जालें
Hmm.
इतलें व्हडलें कांय ना फक्त एकूच अशें दुख्ख दिसता की आमी ना आसपा ना स्टेडियमान इतलें.
Hmm. So, and yes, going back to now, I want to hear from Abhishek. Abhishek, what do you feel? Like this year, all the matches are being held under a bubble zone, closed doors. So, what you have to say on that? But before you answer to that, I want to know what do you feel about tonight's match? Because right from ATK Mohan Bagan versus East Bengal, that match is supposed to be the biggest. But however, Mumbai FC Goa versus Mumbai City FC is also one of the biggest rivals. So, what do you have to say?
Having said that, coming to the question, ATK and East Bengal, ATK Mohun Bagan and East Bengal is like a derby, to be frank,
Hmm.
and would be a
Hmm.
biggest match for this week. But
Hmm.
FC Goa versus Mumbai, having known what has happened in last 5 6 months to be precise, with team players and the coach switching side, this would be a great match to be seen because Mumbai will be knowing how FC Goa play. They know the
Yes.
of the players with us, and Lobera knows that. But
Hmm.
having said that, it is an advantage to us as well because we know how Lobera plays, his tactics and his style of
Hmm.
play. So it gives us an advantage to both of us, to be frank. But then missing Jau for Mumbai City would be a huge advantage for us to go
Hmm.
forward. And this would be a great game to see. But anyways, FC Goa like always will win this.
Yes.
Yeah,
Classical.
yeah,
Now,
it's right.
what do you feel about tonight's match over there? Because, as I said earlier, also one of the biggest rivals out there. What do you
Yeah.
feel?
So basically, I feel that today's match is more about Western debris because
Hmm.
one side Mumbai City FC and one side FC Goa both fall on the west coast of India, so it should
Hmm.
be named as Western debris. And other side is that ex-team manager versus new team manager.
Hmm.
So it will be more exciting to see that FC Goa win today's match.
मन नाका म्हाका
Okay.
कितें
Omi,
Yeah.
what do you have to say on that?
I mean, first of all, we are like finally the ISL has started. Like
Hmm.
FC Goa, everyone were wondering how this team will be. But in the first
Hmm.
match, I think we showed that fighting spirit which we hardly saw in the past. So I think because of that start, I think Bangalore being a very tough side, I think
Hmm. Yes.
Mumbai we should easily win that match. Basically,
Hmm.
looking at the performance, and also the uh, many are saying like Jahu will be missing from both the teams, from Mumbai also and is missing
Go also.
from
Yes.
FC Goa also. So let's see how it goes. I think we are the main advantage what we have is like our squad, especially all the foreigners except for
Hmm.
Edu Bedia. All were
Hmm.
playing active football till August, I think. Yeah, August or something.
Yes.
Whereas with
Yes.
Mumbai, most of the players like Hugo, Mandar, Jahu, and all even the Indian players and most of the foreigners, they didn't play any competitive football since March.
March. Yes.
So that's a
Exactly.
huge edge in the fitness levels. I think what we
Hmm.
have. even we are not 100% fit, but I think we'll reach there quicker than them.
Okay. I want to come back to Sahil. Sahil, as I said earlier, your voice is heard across everyone, like in the entire stadium out there. This time, what is the thing that you're missing? तुका कितें miss जाता ह्या वर्सा when it comes to FC Goa at Fatorda or any other stadium
मेन
in Goa?
म्हणजे तातूंत जो एटमॉस्फियर जो आसतालो तो इतले लोक येताले 17-18 हजार लोक आसताले आनी सगळ्यांक आमी गर्देन आसताले 80-90 लोक आमचे स्टँडार आसताले बसोंक जागो नासतालो कांय ना आनी ती उमेद आसताली तेन्ना आमी खंय बसपाक कोणाक जाय एकदां भितर पावले एकदां टायम जालो अबावट 5 तर आमी थंयसर पावताले एकदां ते स्टँडान गेले बसले आनी आमचो तो ब्लॉक के तो सामको लक्की आमचो तो सोडून आमी खंयच सर हेक बसनासले सो ती एक गजाल आमकां याद येता सगळे बसताले चॅन्ट करी मागीर मॅच आफ्टर मॅच हें नाचताले बरें हें जातालें सो सगळें येता याद येता आनी मेन म्हणल्यार आमगेले सगळे फ्रेंड्स आहा ते सो येतात उगडास येतात पूण कितें करतले जालें तें जालें.
So, Abhishek, what you have to say when it comes, as your colleague Sahil said that the Block K is supposed to be the lucky one for you guys and also for the gods out there on the ground. So, what you have to say, because how you guys are going to give your luck to them? In what way?
Each of us in that stand had their own, what to say, superstitious belief in that block
Hmm.
cave. If you
I
see
want to know,
the
like, if you said it's superstitious belief, I want to know who and what had what.
if you see the photos that we click there, the front
Yeah.
set of line, you will see the
Hmm.
similar faces standing at the similar positions.
Yes,
If
and
you see
Sahil is
left to
always
right
in
or
the
right
middle.
to- yes, and followed by Nikhil and all of us. That is one set. And that there are another set where Sahil has an interesting point there because he has his main spelling which he will tell. But I have mine where whichever game I travel, be it home or away, one of my shoelaces are always open of the left
Why
shoes.
so?
I have seen that. Why? Because my first away game was Bangalore 2-3 seasons back. That was the first away game which we went. I had my shoelaces tight. After that, it was the next season when I think we went to.
Pune.
I think it was Northeast game, and first half having considered, second half I had my shoelaces off, and that's when we scored and we drew the game, and that's from there it all started. And then I did not turn back from there.
That's what I want to know from you, and then to my
I
friend
have nothing.
Chelsto.
I have nothing. Nothing
Yeah,
to nothing that I know about the superstitious things.
Do you have to? You have anything to comment?
About
yeah.
I'm going
missing
to
the fans in
Classito.
the stadium.
No. That I'll go ahead. I want to know from Classito also if he has anything.
Yeah, basically, first I used to sit in North Stand, and once I was
Okay.
part of FC Goa fan club, so I shifted to East Stand,
East End.
and from there FC Goa started winning the matches. Initially, FC Goa were losing the matches, so I found that East Stand was my favorite, and since then I'm
Okay.
sitting over there.
Okay,
Yeah.
Sahil. Now you. I want to know from you. तेणी सगळे सांगले की तुझे खूप आहात ते कितले खूप आहात ते
फ्रॉम
कळून म्हाका.
स्टार्ट म्हणजे फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टायमींग आमचो येता तो टायमींग सारको मेन म्हणल्यार आमकां मेळपा जाय हें म्हणटा पार्किंग त्याच हेजेर आमकां हे गाडी लावं जाय नियर टेम्पल थंयसर हें लावं जाय मागीर त्याच एक्झॅक्ट टायमार वचपा जाय कोणाक रावप ना काय ना 5 जाली की आफ्टर पयली वचप ब्लॉकान पयलीं धांवताले वयर
म्हाकाय उगड आसा
दुसरी
कित्याक हांव कॉल करतालो तुका सांगपाक मातसो राव आय वॉन्ट टू कम टू
Exactly.
इंटरव्यू म्हणून ही वॉज लायक आय एम गोइंग इनसाइड यू कम इनसाइड.
हय तशें आनी म्हणटा दुसरी म्हणटा आमची लायन फ्रंट जी आसताली पळय आमी लायन आमी रावताले ती खंय मिस मॅच जाली जाल्यार गोल पडटालोच आमचेर मागीर आमी ती आमी पळयताले परत कितें चुकलें आमचें सो मागीर आमी चेंज करी आनी मागीर गेम ऑन अशें खुबदां आमकां जालां की एकदां आमी हें आमची फ्रंट लायन समज मिस मॅच जाली ती आमी चेंज केल्ली आनी आमी जिखलेले आहा मॅची सो सुपरस्टिशन पर्सनली म्हणजे खूब आहा पूण ते पर्सनली तुका हांव सांगपाक शकना हांगासर खूब आसा अशें बी आहा की अशें आहा आमचें की तांकां अशें आहा की एक तर पियर मारून घेवकूच जाय इफ मॅच जिखतलो इफ ते सुके येयले जाल्यार मॅच ती बरी वचना अशे आमचे थोडे मेंबर्स आहा जे एनर्जी जायूच न्हू एनर्जी
आता
जायूच
स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय किंग फिशर झाले.
थोडे अशे आहा की आता स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय किंग फिशर आनी हय तें आसा
Okay, I think on
तशें
that
आमचें
note,
आसा
I'll
तुका
interrupt
कितें
over
कितें आहा
here.
सांग
Yeah, so I want to know when it with regards to each one of you individually, which are the key players do you find which are more interesting and a game changer out there, and who do you find will do a game change? Like when Brendan came in last match, a clever substitute by coach changed the game over there. So what do you feel tonight? Because who's the game changer, and who are your guys? I mean, you guys' favorite player? I'll start from Sahil.
ऑटीज
Okay.
जॉर्ज ऑटीज
Anyone else?
तेजी जी स्पीड आहा पळय तेजी जी स्पीड तेजी स्किल आहा पळय न्हू ती पळयत जाल्यार अशें दिसता की इतली फास्ट आमची गेम केन्ना नासली हा एक्चुअली इतले खेळपा आमी इतली फास्ट म्हणजे तो जे पेसीर पळय गेम जेणे लास्ट गेम येयली तो बरें बरें हें करून दिता चान्सीस करता क्रिएट पूण जेन्ना आमचे प्लेयर हे ब्रँडन बी येयलो तेन्ना ब्रँडन समज ताका फ्रॉम द हे मेळलो स्टार्ट समज मेळलो जाल्यार गेम आनी कितें आसता आसली सो ऑटीज एक आमचो की फॅक्टर म्हणटा तो ऑटीज हा जॉर्ज ऑटीज
Okay.
But to add on
Shashwat,
to
you have to say?
Sahil,
Yeah. Yeah. Go,
so
Abhishek, you go ahead. Yeah.
yeah. To add on to Sahil, if you see the last game also, the run on the flanks by Otis,
Mm.
the
Yes.
way he dribbled the ball past the
Mm.
defenders and the crosses that he put in, and way he used to cut back into the position later was simply remarkable. If you see the last few seasons, that was something which we were missing on the wings, to be
Yes,
frank.
exactly.
And that's what we have got this season.
Mm.
That's why I say Otis is a main player to be focused on. And as we know, Igor, Fox in the box type.
Okay.
Those class
Homi, you
tackles.
have anything to say on that or add on to it?
I mean, first of all, I think the club has done very well in signing some good foreigners. I mean, they didn't
Yes.
just go for names or
Yeah.
only the reputation, but they actually went by the performance.
Hmm.
But then that said, I think if you go to see our main playmakers, I think this time we definitely don't have Jahu. But I think
Yeah.
Lenny and Princeton will play a very important part this season, and especially Princeton, who
Yes.
didn't get many opportunities in the past, but I've seen him in a couple of practice games, and he has
Yeah.
looked really sharp and he looks confident. And
Hmm.
even we have some good Indian players like Romario. You saw his
Hmm.
cross in the last match,
Yes.
and also
Exactly.
some youngsters like Chote and Frankie. I
Frankly,
think
yes.
they will all play an important part because this season being such a strange one, I think there will be many injuries coming through as we go through the season, and
Yeah.
the bench will play a very important part. And we are just
Hmm.
waiting for Brandon to get fully fit. I
Fully
think
fit.
he's the
Exactly.
main man.
Yeah.
I think
Going to
we,
Clasito. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel Brandon should start a match. I hope he recovers from the injury very soon.
Hmm.
And Romero, the two substitutes which Igor did after we were down by 2 goals.
Yeah.
So they were the
Okay.
game changer. And Igor should be inside the box, but not so much that he be in the offside position. Because most of the time he was in offside position for last match.
Yes. Shashwat,
Yeah.
you have to say on anything with regards to
Yeah,
last
yeah.
match and
Uh,
the upcoming
See,
match tonight.
we have got a great goal scorer, that is Igor. In Igor,
Hmm.
we get goals like, because see, he got just three shots on goal. Two of them were goals. Two of
Yes.
them were goals. He's a goal poacher. So he
Hmm.
gets into those positions, making runs behind the defense, and that's the key. Because
Hmm.
when Ortiz is going on the flanks, there needs to be someone in between the defense who can make runs so that the crosses are perfect and then he can score easily. So
Hmm.
I think Igor will be the main factor tonight.
Okay, Abhishek, I want to ask you this question before I go to my last segment. Will be that do you think Igor has replaced Koro?
uh, Koro itself was a legend for us, to be frank.
Hmm.
He was a
Hmm.
legend. But just sticking on to that point and just going how if Koro wouldn't be a game. This Igor has shown what he is known for in the first game.
Hmm.
So I think we won't be missing Koro, to be frank.
All right.
But let's watch it.
Okay, what is the motivation that you guys will give being the 12th man for the gods out there when it comes fighting against Mumbai City FC tonight? Last match, I have seen the visuals, I have seen the video, photograph, the social media posts of the East Lower Army and also the FC Goa fan club. How you guys went to outside the hotel in the city out there, and then also following the entire way the buses to Fatorda stands over there. So, what is that uniqueness that we will see tonight, or what do you guys have planned that you would like to share with me? I will start with Omi. I will take individual over there. Omi, start.
I think first of all, FC Goa fan club and East Low Army. I think we will always remain with the club, even
Mm,
in all the adversities. I mean, we will always stand by the truth, and that's what we
mm,
have done.
mm.
Uh, we never go by rumors or anything, just spreading some venom because last time what happened in February. Like there were many stories, but no one knew
Yeah.
exactly anything happened. And we are thankful for the club president Akshay Tandon who called all the supporters club that time for a meeting to explain a few points. Although we didn't get the proper facts, but we were happy with the explanations. And the difference you can see this year, like we have 14 Goans in the squad of 30, and that was the club
Yes.
philosophy, basically of promoting local talent and Indian talent. So we stand by the club for all that. And this
Mm,
year, this season has been very strange. We tried a few things with the Gore huddle we had before the first match. We tried
mm.
maintaining all the SOPs, but sometimes in the excitement, we forget.
Yeah.
But then we
I
were we
understand.
were we were very careful. You can see by the visuals we will share with
Mm,
you.
mm.
And we are having some screenings with a limited capacity, with observing all the norms, because
Yes.
we just can't imagine a season like without us. Watching from the TV is one thing, but watching with
It
all of us
live is
together,
completely
it's a
different. Yes.
different experience. So
together.
Yeah.
even for today's match, we are having some plans. So hope to see everyone out there before the
Yes.
seats are full.
Yes. Shashwat, do you want to comment before I move on to someone else over there?
Like Omi said, organizing screenings and making a stadium like atmosphere so that fans can enjoy the team taking meaning the big clash against Mumbai City is a great thing, and that also excites all the fans. Like those who can't be at the stadium, they come for the screenings and then they enjoy with all of their friends, families, etc.
Mm.
Also following the social distancing norms and
Okay.
all the safety.
Yeah. Placido, you want to comment on that? Like, what will be your kind of mood out there tonight? How will you support the gods? Placido?
Okay, this is for me.
Yeah.
Yes, Rishabh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, I'll be firstly missing the stadium environment.
Mm.
Though last year I was not there in Goa, but I used to come for whenever I used to book my tickets, I used to see whether which match is falling on which day, so I can join the match.
Mm.
And uh, as per Omi have said already that we have put up various screening locations like
Mm.
Conti de Valadares or Pedro's.
Mm.
So I feel most of the people should go and gather over there because it's better to watch the match in a group than rather than sitting at home and watching,
Yeah.
because that atmosphere itself creates a electric performance, and I
Mm.
hope that it connects with the players, though it won't able to connect, but it should connect with the group around you.
Okay. Abhishek, what will be your mood? What are the things that you have planned to support the gods out
My preparations are already started. You can see me in the jersey
there?
right now. I am working with the
Did you
same
have
jersey
a
at my work.
did did you have a good sleep last night? Or I can see Omi also
Uh,
waving the uh, shield also out there with his,
This will
and
be
he's
ours.
also showing this is all. He's also excited. He's all firm that the trophy is coming home tonight. I mean this
yes.
year. But
See,
Abhishek, what you have to say? Did you have a good sleep last night, or you were still
uh,
excited? That excitement level
I
was
think my eyes.
completely
I
different.
think my eyes are still showing the.
Okay,
To
now
be
yeah,
frank,
go
I'm just
ahead.
waiting for
Yeah.
that. So just waiting for that, but then
Hmm.
more of that, we are just saying that more of social media presence is what we can give the best for now,
Hmm. Yeah.
except for the screenings which are scheduled. Social media posts are what the
Hmm.
players will be seeing more, and that's what we are doing now. tagging
Okay.
each and every one of them.
Yeah. So Sahil, ice kire pacha.
Yes.
Will you be out there next to the hotel, supporting and giving a good message and good wishes to the gods before they leave for Fatorda?
आयज पळोवया एक तर स्क्रिनींग जाल्यार एक तर हांगा घरा कडेन आसतलो कित्याक स्टेडियमान काय आसपाना तो फील तो हेच वेगळो आसता सो पळोवया फिजिकली आमी तेजे वांगडा आसचे ना पूण मेंटली आनी अशें सोशियली म्हण कशें म्हण तूं तेंच्या वांगडा आमी सदांच आसतले फॉर एवर आसतले गोरसा वांगडा मागीर तो कशें कोच कोणूय येवं प्लेयर कोणूय येवं ओनर कोणूय येवं तें नांव लास्टाक नांव आसा गोवा FC गोवा तें गोवा नांव आमकां लागता लोक उलोवपाचे उलयत वयतले फाटले फावट कोण म्हणटाले लोबेरा गेलो हें गेलो आतां पयरचे राती तेच लोक परत येयले जुवान येयलो तशें आसता सो मनीस फुटबॉलान अशें आहा की गोवन फुटबॉलान जर मनीस फॅन जे आहा केन्नाय चेंज जाता सोशल हेजे मिडियाचेर पळयता आमी कोणें एक ट्रोल केलो कितें केलो तें वाचतलें हेणें कितें केलें सो कितें तरी हेजी मिस्टेक जाता तशें नासता जेन्ना कोरो जाहू हे सुरवातीक येयल्ले आनीक कोण आमी हे वळखताले कोण ना कोणाक खबर नासली ते कसले प्लेयर कितें खेळटा ते पूण जेन्ना प्रूव केलें तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें सो हेवूय प्लेयर आहा ते आतां प्रूव करतले आमकां तेंचे प्रूव केलें बी चडशी गेम आनी आमचे जे हे प्लेयर आहा ते लोकल प्लेयर आहा तेवूय अशे एक बरे प्लेयर आहा देवेंद्र म्हण मुरगांवकर म्हण आनी कोण ईशान घेतला आमी पंडिता सो बरे प्लेयर आहा ते करतले प्रूव सो तांकां टायम दिवं जाय सो पळोवया कितें जाता तें आनी फोर्सा गोवा विडू उजो
Yeah.
My
last question. Yeah, come in.
I still remember the start of the fourth season when beginning of Sergio's first season. I still remember I got a call to get some guys for the photo shoot, for the pre-season photo shoot, and you know how the third season was. It was terrible. We finished bottom of the table, and literally like the guys wouldn't come. Then how in a AFC guy ki theta yani hai. So it was very tough. I gathered some 15-20 guys who were visible on the poster. Then only after 1 or 2 matches, those same people like changed their attitude. Like, we bore hai mare. Koro bunta to kon re, bore heta mare. So this way, I think it's almost the same attitude, but at least we know some things more about the players than we knew in the past. And even the manager is a proven winner. So only hoping for good things in the future.
Yeah, my last question. Everyone can just pop in anytime you guys want now. I will not ask you individual. What do you feel the final scoreboard?
High scoring 4-1. FC Goa wins.
I just got from 1.
3-1.
What about the other 4?
3-1.
I think we'll win 3-1. Yeah.
Sahil?
I'm going for a clean sheet.
No prediction.
3-0.
Okay.
3-0.
No prediction before the match. No prediction before the match. Superstitions.
Okay. Okay. Would you like to, before we end this wonderful discussion, would you like to give our viewers and also the gods out there to hear some of the chants that you would like to sing, which will be missing in the stands? So you guys can start. I throw the floor open for you to sing your chants. Go ahead.
Come on, Brandon.
Sari.
Come on, Sari. Come on,
Brandon.
Okay, I think we had a wonderful discussion out there for this couple of minutes out there. But thank you so much, guys, for your views and thoughts, your good wishes, the view that you have with when it comes to FC Goa and also when it comes to ISL. Thank you so much for being a part and spending your time and coming over here on this virtual discussion. What we have before FC Goa clashes with Mumbai City FC at Fatorda here today. And thank you so much. But before I end and I say thank you, I want to hear those magical words from you guys about Uzo. So I want to end this thing with Sahil. Sahil, you can go ahead and just say, what do you do when you are in the stadium? What do East Lovarami and FC Goa fan club?
Uzo.
Uzo.
Forza Goa.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.